Hello there, this is Deborah, and today I am making some lavender swirl soap. I'm going to be using some lavender essential oil that smells amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my lye solution into my oils and let the sponification process begin. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put a little design on here. I'm kind of debating on a few things, like, do I really want to swirl this? Or do I want to put some buds on it? What am I going to do? Am I going to leave it like this? Not sure. Let's see. No, I'm going to put some buds on it. I've got all these all grinded up, and I like the way they smell, and I think I'm going to put those on there. You just never know about me. Yep. After that little design, I decided I wanted to put some lavender blooms on top of it because they smell so good. Like I said, I put a little bit of gold mica to these buds because usually when you put them on the soap, they turn brown. And I didn't want to have that. So I put a little bit of lavender mica, should have said purple mica, with a little bit of gold to it, believe it or not. So we have the buds here, and I'm actually thinking about putting another layer on top of this. I got this in my head here, and I'm like, is it gonna work or what? I've got these ideas in my head. It's like, girl, you need to get a design and stick with it. Okay, there you go. I put some gold mica to get like a nice line. And I'm going to pipe the top here. As you can see, I've already started piping. So this soap got a lot of character to it. It not only smells good and works good, but it's got a lot of designs hidden all over the place. Should have called this hidden colors there. So after I put the buds, the grind up lavender buds, I start thinking, when I go to cut this, I'm probably going to get some drag there. I'm going to get a little drag. But I think it's going to be all right. It's going to be part of the design. Oh my goodness. I'm just thinking it's probably going to be a drag because, that's kind of obvious sometime when you put some texture like that, and when you go to cut it, you can get a little bit of a drag. But my biggest thing I want to see is how the swirl came out. As far as the drag, that's going to be part of my design. I'm going to leave it like that in my head. When I said drag, I'm talking about the drag marks, how it leaves the drag marks on your soap. So that's what I was talking about there. Okay, I'm getting ready to take it out of the mold here. It was soft yesterday, but looks pretty good today. Everything looks nice and firmed up. So I did put some lavender buds on top too. So we got a lot of everything on this soap. But it is made with love, lots of love. Just need to break the seal here. Usually I take it out of the mold before I start filming it because it's just, my hands are just too much hands here. But anyway, I'm just trying to break the air seal there. Once you break the seal, then it comes out pretty good. But I'm all fingers here like, okay, gotta get this out of here. So, let's see. Just gonna see if I can break the air seals. Like I said, I usually like already have it out, so I don't have to go through this. But I was being brave today. Thought I could do this without too much problems. Sometimes you always think when you're doing all of this, if it's gonna break. It's gonna break. Oh well, if it breaks, just still be alright, I guess. There we go. Okay. Just a little bit more there. The seal's broken, it's just pretty tight. There we go. It's pretty firm. I did put some sodium lactate with this so that it would be a lot easier to get out of the mold. And I've got some lavender bud lines, and I also have some gold lines there. Hopefully we can get them seen. Gonna move some of these little lavender bud that I grinded up out the way there so it's not sticking to my soap. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that little tip off so we can see what we got inside. Well, all right then. I like that. That's pretty nice. Got a lot of sunshine coming in, so just when I thought I was getting really good at doing videos, got all this sun all over everything. But it's been so cold here lately to the sunshine. It's like, welcome. Need a little sunshine up in here. But we didn't need that much while I was filming this video here. Okay, take that little piece off. Now you go there. So I like this. It's got kind of a 3-dimension there. It's got the piping, and then it's got some all purple. Then it's got some gold. Then it's got some lavender buds. I did use some isopropyl alcohol to try to bind the soap onto the lavender buds when I laid that layer out. So hopefully it looks like it's holding up pretty good here. Just got a lot of particles here from the lavender buds. I don't want it to be any more dragging than it's already. My soap's already got some drag lines in them. Those lines are part of the makeup of the soap. Oh yeah, I like that. That looks pretty cool. This soap is definitely made with a lot of love, you guys. You know, anytime you're making beauty care products, handmade products, they're made with love. So when you buy these products, just think about all the love that's been put inside of them. Okay, I'm thinking I'm going to turn this on the side to see if I could have less drag marks. Nope, didn't work. Still got some drag marks. So I don't know, being a perfectionist as I am, I might put a little gold on those drag marks, or maybe I'll just let it be and just be all right with it. Well, that didn't work, so I'm just going to sit it back up and keep going. Yeah, I got a little drag marks from the texture of the lavender buds. It just, the fibers from it just kind of drag on the wire as it come down, touches, and it kind of drags. So that's something I'll think about next time. I don't want those drag marks on my soap. Like I said, being a perfectionist, it's like, oh, what am I going to do with that? Do I decorate it? Do I take my airbrush and shoot some mica, some gold mica on it? Or no, I'm just kidding around. It's going to be fine. They're not that bad. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm not going to cut anymore. I'm just going to go ahead and go and say thank you guys for stopping by to watch this video. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Let's have some more fun another time. Bye now.